In a world filled with endless possibilities, the question of how to achieve anything you set your mind to is more relevant than ever. Whether you're aiming for career advancement, personal growth, or entrepreneurial success, the path to achieving goals starts with a clear mindset and actionable steps. This comprehensive guide explores goal-setting techniques, success mindset principles, and motivation strategies that have transformed ordinary lives into extraordinary stories of triumph. By incorporating personal development practices and overcoming common obstacles, you'll unlock the secrets to achieving success in any domain. Let's dive into the roadmap that empowers millions to turn dreams into reality. Understanding the foundation: why goal-setting techniques matter. At the heart of how to achieve anything lies effective goal-setting techniques. Without a solid foundation, even the most ambitious aspirations crumble under pressure. Start with the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of vaguely saying, "I want to get fit," declare, "I will run 5 kilometers 3 times a week for the next 3 months." This specificity sharpens your focus and makes progress tangible. Research from the American Psychological Association highlights that individuals who use structured goal-setting techniques are 42% more likely to achieve their objectives. Why? Because it transforms abstract desires into concrete plans. Incorporate personal development by journaling your goals daily. This habit fosters accountability and reinforces your commitment. Moreover, align your goals with your core values. Ask yourself, does this pursuit ignite passion? A success mindset thrives on intrinsic motivation, not external validation. By rooting your ambitions in purpose, you'll build resilience against setbacks, turning "I wish" into "I will." Cultivating a success mindset: the key to unlocking potential. A success mindset isn't innate, it's cultivated through deliberate personal development efforts. Carol Dweck's growth mindset theory posits that viewing challenges as opportunities for learning, rather than threats, is pivotal in achieving success. Shift from fixed thinking, "I'm not good at this," to growth-oriented beliefs, "I can improve with effort." To build this, practice daily affirmations. Phrases like, "I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to," rewire neural pathways, boosting confidence. Combine this with visualization. Spend 10 minutes each morning imagining your goals as already accomplished. Athletes like Michael Phelps swear by this technique, crediting it for Olympic gold medals. Overcoming limiting beliefs is crucial. Identify self-sabotaging thoughts through cognitive behavioral exercises. For example, challenge, "I'm too old to start a business," with evidence of late blooming successes like Colonel Sanders founding KFC at 65. These motivation strategies dismantle barriers, paving the way for bold action. Incorporate mindfulness meditation to enhance emotional regulation. Apps like Headspace offer guided sessions that reduce stress and sharpen focus, essential for sustained goal achievement. Remember, a success mindset is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins to dopamine hit your brain, creating a positive feedback loop that propels you forward. Mastering motivation strategies, fueling your journey. Even with a stellar plan and mindset, waning motivation can derail progress. Effective motivation strategies keep the fire burning. Break goals into micro tasks to avoid overwhelm. The 2-minute rule, from productivity expert David Allen, suggests starting with actions that take less than 2 minutes, like tying your running shoes, to build momentum. Leverage accountability partners. Share your goals with a trusted friend or join online communities like Reddit's r/Get Motivated. Social commitment increases follow-through by 65%, per University of Chicago studies. For deeper personal development, track habits using tools like Habitica, gamifying your routine for fun and consistency. Address burnout proactively. Schedule rest and incorporate joy-based rewards. Treat yourself to a favorite meal after hitting a milestone. This balanced approach ensures long-term achieving goals without exhaustion. External inspiration matters too. Read biographies of icons like Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty through relentless success mindset application. Podcasts such as The Tim Ferriss Show unpack motivation strategies from high achievers, offering bite-sized wisdom for busy lives. Overcoming obstacles, resilience in the face of challenges. No path to how to achieve anything is obstacle-free. Setbacks are inevitable, but resilience turns them into stepping stones. Develop a problem-solving framework. Identify the issue, brainstorm solutions, test one, and iterate. This iterative mindset, akin to agile methodologies in business, fosters adaptability. Fear of failure often paralyzes. Reframe it as data collection. Each no informs your next yes. Thomas Edison's 1,000 failed lightbulb attempts exemplify this. I have not failed. I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work. Build a support network. Mentors provide perspective, while peers offer empathy. Platforms like LinkedIn facilitate connections, accelerating goal achievement. Financial hurdles. Bootstrap creatively. Side hustles like freelancing on Upwork can fund dreams without loans. Health is non-negotiable. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, and exercise. A fatigued body undermines a sharp mind. Studies from Harvard link consistent physical activity to enhanced cognitive function, directly boosting personal development outcomes. Actionable steps. Your 30-day plan to achieve anything. To make this tangible, here's a 30-day blueprint blending goal-setting techniques, success mindset, and motivation strategies. Days 1 to 7. Clarify and commit. Write 3 SMART goals. Visualize daily for 5 minutes. Journal limiting beliefs and counter them with evidence. Days 8 to 14. Build momentum. Tackle 1 micro task per goal daily. Share progress with an accountability buddy. Meditate 10 minutes to cultivate calm. Days 15 to 21. Refine and adapt. Review wins and tweaks. Read 1 chapter of a personal development book like Atomic Habits by James Clear. Days 22 to 30. Amplify and celebrate. Scale efforts, add a new habit. Reward milestones lavishly. Reflect on growth to solidify your success mindset. Track everything in a dedicated app like Notion. By month's end, you'll notice tangible shifts toward achieving success. Sustaining long-term goal achievement. Achieving anything isn't a sprint, it's a marathon requiring ongoing personal development. Quarterly reviews keep you aligned. Adjust goals as life evolves. Embrace lifelong learning through courses on Coursera or Masterclass, expanding your toolkit. Community amplifies impact. Join mastermind groups or attend conferences to network and inspire. Surround yourself with uplifters who embody the success mindset you aspire to. Finally, give back. Mentoring others reinforces your knowledge and reignites passion. As you help someone else achieve goals, you'll deepen your own fulfillment. Conclusion. Your time to achieve anything is now. Mastering how to achieve anything boils down to intentional goal-setting techniques, a resilient success mindset, and robust motivation strategies. From smart planning to visualization and accountability, these tools equip you for triumph. Challenges will arise, but with personal development as your compass, you'll navigate them masterfully. The world awaits your unique contribution. Start today. Define 1 goal, take 1 step, and watch the ripple effect. You possess the power to achieve success beyond imagination. What's your first move? Word count. 1012. This guide is optimized with SEO keywords like how to achieve anything, achieving goals, success mindset, goal-setting techniques, motivation strategies, personal development, and achieving success to enhance visibility on search engines.